In this video, we take a look at auditing the management review process. The auditor is auditing the management review process with the top management team in an organisation against the requirements of ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. Watch this video and identify whether the auditor audits this process effectively.
So can you explain your management review process?
Yep. Every year I produce a report on how well the quality management system is working, and I base that on the requirements within 9.3 in ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. I then call a meeting and get my top management team to go through the report and then get them to sign at the end of the meeting to say that they attended and that they took part.
Great. Can I see the minutes of the meeting?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Here are the minutes, and the structure of the review, as mentioned, is in the order of the requirements in 9001 and 16949.
Man, I wish all companies did this. Makes my job much easier. These minutes, they look great. What was the output of the review?
Well, as always, the main output was just to agree on a date for the next annual review. We also made a comment in the minutes that we do have two major issues now. One of them relates to customer stop shipment with Ford. That's due to ongoing quality problems. I've got an action to work on this with my engineering team to try and solve that problem. And hopefully when we have the review next year, you'll see that action will be cleared up. We also have another major issue where we've got, I think it was 45 at the last count, open internal audit findings. We've got, as you can see, we've got a busy team, and we haven't had a chance to close out all of our internal audit findings.
Okay, I'm going to make a note of that in my report, and we'll check that next year.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's summarise. The auditor did not carry out an effective audit of the management review process. He just audited the report that was produced by the quality manager, and he didn't question the rest of the organisation management team. In 5.1 of ISO 9001, it states that the business processes must be integrated into the organisation quality management system. The management review process should not be a standalone meeting, but should be the management meeting structure to set the strategic direction and the quality objectives, and then to review performance on an ongoing basis to ensure that the objectives are met. Management review does not need to be a single meeting, but it can be a series of meetings, ensuring that all the input requirements in 9.3 of the standard are met. IATF states at minimum that the management review must be held annually, but the frequency should be increased when internal or external issues occur. In this example, there were two major issues, but the organisation did not schedule another review. In an IATF audit, this could form the basis for being a major non-conformity. Let's summarise the key learning points. Management review should not be a single event to review a report generated by the quality manager. Management review should be led by top management and be integrated into the organisation business processes. Although the minimum frequency of management review is stated as being one per year, the frequency of management review should be increased when internal or external issues occur. For more information, visit the website in the description, and don't forget to subscribe.